Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Vuk from Figura. If you found this channel, you were probably searching for video tutorials on how to become a game developer, a 3D artist or a technical artist, and this is the right place for you. Please stay and subscribe, because this channel was created with the intention to share all my knowledge in the field of 3D modeling, tech art and game development. I am covering everything from 3D modeling to engine work through some programming, and you will definitely find it helpful to have someone explain you stuff that you're encountering as challenging during the process. A little bit about myself. I'm a technical artist that works in the video games industry for the past 6 years, and in that period of time I covered a lot of technologies and several published games on different platforms. I mostly work in Unreal Engine 4 and Unity. Regarding the engines, for 3D work I use Maya, ZBrush and a little bit of Blender here and there. As far as programming goes, I am proficient in C# in Unity and Blueprints in Unreal Engine 4. So the goal of this channel is to share all my knowledge that I accumulated over those years. So these are the topics that you're interested in. I suggest you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot and goodbye.